we're back. So we're back at Tesla today because my son-in-law, after debating getting a Tesla with all of the driving he's doing, decided he was going to get one. He put in an order and there was one available in inventory. So a week after he put the order, they said, hey, you can come pick it up. So we're here today to pick up his Tesla. It's another white Tesla. It's a Model 3. We're going to check it out. We're going to see his reactions. We're going to maybe install an accessory or two, and then we're going to head home. So join us on the journey to pick up my son-in-law's Tesla. All right, he's arrived. He's got his Uber. Is he excited? He looks slightly excited. Yeah. I see 3 of them, Braden. One of them could be yours.
Yeah, we'll see.
Could be one of these 3.
Awesome. What's the name on your account?
It's not this one, Braden? Not the X? Are you sure? Okay.
Well, 3 for you today.
Unless you want to pay for it.
Right, looks like everything is complete on your end.
So you're opening up your Tesla app. What are you doing now?
All right, so now he wants us to locate the VIN. So we're gonna match the VIN to one of these vehicles and see which one is your guys's.
Which one is it?
So it's probably one of these two.
Which one?
Probably one of these two.
Not this one. 8860.
Here it is. Look at that smile. Someone's happy. So I think you need to.
Yes, you can now press I've located my vehicle. Yes, so these are going to be the final terms for accepting your car today.
Oh, just
Yep.
go through it?
Yep.
Okay.
Then you got to check it over. Look it over
do I check
thoroughly.
it over now?
So we're setting up the phone key first.
97%.
Ah.
Charged it.
And then change to always allow. That's so that when you walk up to your car, automatically unlocks. When you walk away from your car, automatically locks.
Okay, perfect.
Now we're gonna press this lock up top. And it's already unlocked. So let's press it again. All right. And if you guys want to get in, I can help you get set up
Okay.
with your controls and make sure you're. If you need to adjust your seat, you can do so here.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. So
Okay.
Okay. Now, we're all set up with your phone. Do you plan on sharing access?
Yeah.
Okay.
We can always do
I'll
that
have
later
the app,
too.
but yeah, we can always do later.
Okay, we'll
if we
just
can.
show you how to do it.
Okay,
'cause
yeah.
it's, let's just scroll up, and then security and drivers, and then add driver.
your Tesla.
Okay. That's gonna create a link, and then you can just text that over to your phone, just quick and simple like that. And then once you're all ready to get access, since you already have your app, once you pull that up, you can just set up your phone key as well.
All right, you're adjusting your mirrors, setting your
Yeah.
profile up.
You're gonna change the always allow, or allow while
Fun.
using,
Okay, and then
and then you can press the X at the top.
I don't have to push save. It just saves
No,
it.
what we're gonna do is set these up, and then we're gonna create your profile and then link the settings.
Okay.
That's what we're gonna do. I think that way is a little bit easier.
Okay.
So let's go to your steering wheel underneath your mirrors,
Steering.
and then you're gonna use the same left wheel.
Actually, let me fix my seat. All right. What's the seat? Oh, that's pretty roomy back there.
That's pretty good.
Okay, I think that's pretty good. I'll have to mess with it more as I drive.
Profile.
Right here.
Yep.
Okay.
And then driver profile settings.
Okay.
And then it looks like your name is already there on the
Oh,
side.
perfect. Right here.
Yep. And then setup. And then over here it says link your settings.
Yep. Link.
Okay, so
Okay.
now you've linked your settings to your profile.
Now I can just exit.
Yep. Let's use your shifter and go into drive by pushing all the way down. And then going to reverse by pressing all the way up. Perfect. You've got your backup camera, your 2 side cameras for parking.
Okay.
And then park is going to be the button on the end there.
Interesting, different
Now,
sounds.
the biggest difference, I know you've driven your dad's car, but is the regenerative brake. So when you let your foot off of the gas pedal, your car is going to start to slow down, right?
Yeah.
So that's the biggest difference when driving off of here. Getting used to your car is going to be getting used to that brake.
Okay, yeah.
Okay?
Yeah, I kind of got used to it a little bit,
Okay,
so
perfect.
yeah.
Perfect. Now,
One pedal
there's a lot
driving.
to learn about your new car, but the best way to learn it is kind of going through your settings, playing with
Just
it,
playing with it,
seeing
yeah.
what works for you guys as a family, your lifestyle.
Okay.
Oh, that was pretty fast. How long did that take? That took us like 10 minutes.
It's not even my appointment.
Not even your appointment, and you are now, Braden, a Tesla owner.
I am.
Happy.
Maggie wants to come see.
Oh, here's my cards, right?
Yep, key cards. Interesting. So my wife's checking out an X. This could be an expensive trip. Not today, though. Not today. Oh, a white one, too. Love the gull-wing doors.
Yeah, sit back here. I'd like you to see me over.
Yeah, she gave me. So what do you think? You like this?
Yes.
Look how big that screen is. That's huge.
Do we want this steering or do we want the yoke?
You guys want to see the yoke?
Sure, we can see it.
Oh, it's
Oh,
right
the
there.
yoke's right.
Okay. That is
What do you think of that?
that's pretty neat.
All right, so pretty cool. Screen is so huge. And she likes the yoke steering wheel. She likes that she can see the display real easy. Yeah, not sure about white again though. Yeah. But I don't know. So yoke is good, huh?
Yes.
All right, I'm about to try it out. All right, she's checking out the X, so we'll see how they're doing, looking over their car, making sure, they're gonna make sure the panels look good, seats look good, nothing that they need to worry about. They do have 7 days, but you might as well check it over while you can. Okay, she's looking over, Mama's looking over, making sure it looks okay.
Quite a bit of room back there. Call it the Panda.
Now,
Looks pretty good.
with the car seat, that's
Door panels look pretty good. That right there might be a little off. That side. Yeah, looks like that might maybe a hair off. But the doors look good. Alignment's really good there. Car looks clean. Paint looks relatively good. Wheels look good. So that was super quick. It only took, I want to say 15 minutes. He basically walked up to the desk. She said, pull up your app, link the car. All the payment stuff had been taken care of ahead of time. Got in the car. He pretty much knew how to do things because he's driven mine. She went through a couple of things, and I'd say in 15 minutes he was ready to go, ready to take the car off the lot. Way faster than I thought it would be, but it is because he did all of his other stuff ahead of time on the app. So car looks really clean, looks really good. So I think we're gonna probably wait till I got Still White charging over there. Once she gets up to like 90, then we'll take off, head home. We're gonna let him drive and tell us where he wants to stop because he has the standard range and we have a little long range Y, so we'll see where he has to stop on the way home, if at all. And then he's got a new car. It's pretty cool. It's pretty fun. But the X looks really nice. We're gonna have to get our Y paint off so we get one. Braden, you gonna plug her in for the first time? Do you know how to do this? Have you seen this before? Have you watched Middle Aged Tesla?
No, I don't watch middle-aged Tesla.
Yes, you do.
There we go.
Not yet. Blue,
Oh,
blue, blue,
God,
blue,
wait,
blue,
it's green.
blue, blue. It must be. It might be at 100%.
Probably is. Oh, it's the screen that popped up.
What does it say?
Supercharging tips.
Close it. Ooh, I'm gonna charge them all the way up.
now it's green.
There you go. Now you're charging. Cool. All right. Have fun, sir. We'll see you at your first charging session.
Yup. See you there.
Nice. So that was pickup. They're on the way down the road. We didn't get a chance to put the accessories on. They got a party that they've got to go to back at home. So we'll probably put the accessories on another day, the screensaver. It does come with a film to cover it, so you don't have to worry about getting anything on it. But we'll need to put the screensaver on. We'll put the aftermarket mud flaps. We'll put the quick bennett license plate frame. Hopefully we can do that all tomorrow. So we'll see. Catch you tomorrow.
Bye.